welcome to Star Stop. There are very few, if any, that can make sure, no matter what time of the night, as long as I'm shooting this side, there will be a crowd on the other side of the camera. It doesn't happen often. And this year, I'm very lucky, it's happening twice. Salman sir, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks, man.
And every time I see her in photographs, very beautiful, but then you sort of realize she's even more beautiful in real life. Sonam Kapoor.
Hi.
But we're going to come to you. You become Superman. Morning you're shooting on TV, or afternoon you're shooting, I go somewhere else, you're again shooting. In the night you're again shooting, in the evening you're again shooting.
You're the Superman.
Because I saw you in the afternoon. but I quickly saw you and walked off. Have you ever worked these many hours in the 90s as well? Everyone used to do 6-hour shifts?
We should do 3 films at a time, every single day. 15 films, that's what I used to do. And I used to give 8-hour shifts to everyone. So 7 to 2, 2 to 10, 10 to 5. So all throughout my life, till Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and Biwi Number 1, I've only heard light aa rahi hai, light ja rahi hai. From 6 months after Maine Pyar Kiya. And after that, I changed my whole thing and I got really professional. Now on a 9 o'clock shift, I come at 11:30 is my first shot. And then after that, even if I've got to go 24 hours, I'll make sure that I'll finish all my work and leave from there. So it's then after that, once you on the set, it doesn't matter what time is back up, or some people get agitated, they get frustrated. Short nahi laga hai. I'm chilling by the van, I'm sitting outside, enjoying it, have beautiful Sonam in this movie. So there was never a moment of boredom.
I come to this juncture in this year, and I knew 7 billion crying eyes with Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And I remember when we met at that time, you said, my father loved it. We all thought it would be good, but we didn't think we'd look at your face and we'd say, oh, so sweet, and we start crying. At this age, so we had sitting there, and all grown men, and trying to be we are supposed to be the press. So we're sitting all there, we're looking at Harshali and going, oh, everyone wanted to have a baby after that. And then we saw you. That was incredible, the innocence that you got out of that film. Were you also enjoying the fact that, everyone loved it so much and cried so much for it?
That's the reason why I did the movie. Because when I heard the script, that script, totally moved me. And it also, when I heard the script, it also, even I wanted to have a baby then. But that quickly changed during the making of the film. And then I saw the movie on screen. And then again, I felt like having a child. And then I did Prem Ratan Dhan Paya with Sonam.
And he said,
My khwahish was fulfilled.
That story is fun, because I remember when we did the trailer launch, there was, you were a baby when you first met him, pretty much.
when
you were 14 or 15 when you first met.
15, yeah.
15, you were a baby.
Yeah.
That would be
I didn't meet
called a
him
baby.
for the first time at that age.
But she was still 6 years older than Bebo. Bebo was 9 when I first met him.
No, you didn't meet me when I was 14 for the first time.
You were younger?
Yeah, she remembers it
You don't remember it.
very clearly.
Yeah, but
I choose to forget that.
So you were in your nappies at that time? Was it that?
No.
Oh, I remember this. On the beach, right?
that was when I was 15.
You were 15 by then. Okay, so we won't backtrack any further. But you walk into a film, and you've got the heartthrob of the world, not the nation, in the film that
Yeah.
the world wants to make. And I saw the trailer with you at that time. You were just blown away by the color, the brilliance, and everything.
Yeah.
I know everyone likes to see themselves in the mirror and say, I'm looking nice. You've seen this movie, and you're looking fabulous. It's a dream role as well. Are you as happy as could be?
I'm very happy. Why are you looking at me? I'm really happy to be a part of the film. I always was. And
This is the most subdued I've ever seen you.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Normally you're the one in control,
I'm always the one in control.
Right.
Yeah.
But
Even now
here-
she is.
Really?
Now she is, yeah. And she is the only one who feels like that.
Really? No, it's just been a really long day. But no, but
Yeah, from about 6 o'clock in the evening to
you were here at
8:30.
6. You were here at 6. I've been
Yeah,
up since
really
6
long
a.m.
day. Yeah.
But no, it's obviously like an amazing opportunity, and it's a great role. And I'm so like I was very. Surajji was really adamant on me doing this film, and I'm so happy that he kind of, believed in me so much. And obviously, this true. Stop it.
It's all coming through, but it's all coming through.
Yeah, and no, which was amazing. And he saw Ranjana and Mausam, and he wanted to cast me after he saw both those films.
It's not because of Ranjana, it's not because of Mausam. I'll tell you why he wanted to cast you in this movie. Because when she was going through a rough, lean phase, she conducted herself really well. Every time you saw her, she looked lovely. It didn't show that she's not getting the best of the movies, best of the offers, and all that stuff. She stayed balanced and she looked lovely even then. So that is the only reason why Suraj Barjatya has casted you. It's got nothing to do with Ranjana.
He called me after he saw the film, and he said, "How to
Done
cast you?"
Before. It's got nothing to do with any of these movies. And if you see Suraj's choice of women in movies, he needs that. Like Sonali Bendre,
The calmness.
Sonam, Bhagyashri, Madhuri. So she's got that Indian, that simple, simple look.
Yeah, there are very few that look better in an Indian outfit than you.
Yeah, girl next door, that common Indian girl. He wanted, with that certain amount of elegance, that beauty, that niceness.
When you have Suraj Barjatya on the set, he speaks.
समझ में ना कि compliment दे रहा हूँ
नहीं,
Please. But it sounds
Compliment
nice. Surajji is so soft.
Yeah.
You sort of need like a mic.
and I'm not. Is that what you're trying
No,
to
no,
say?
no. So I'm saying this gentle giant on the set. He's a giant in filmmaking
Yeah.
at least. And you've got some 7,000 people on the set. How does everything work so synchronized?
Because he's very planned. There's everything
But
is
in the
done.
best of films, I mean, sir, you've done films for 25 years. Has anything ever gone according to plan?
A lot of films do, and a lot of
my
films
plan.
don't. Yeah.
Nothing has ever gone correctly. But with Suraj is a very strong personality. He doesn't, there's some people who don't need to yell and scream and to show their authority. He just has the authority. He's so nice that you feel that that even if he, gives us one look, that why aren't you ready? It'll just be like mess. Are you going to be, it's like you're going to be hurting, or you not that person, who is so nice to you is going to have some feeling in his head about you that you're not professional, or you're not taking your job seriously. So everyone wants to be. So he's all there. He's all here, and that's the best way to be. I've seen a lot of directors yelling and screaming and shouting and throwing authority. No one even bothers. No one even listens to them. Out here, so say, ready? Shall we take? And everyone is.
Yeah.
Everyone's.
It's a fact.
Yeah, I've never heard him.
I've heard him yell once.
Yeah.
In like a year and a half, 2 years of working on this film, just once, and that was because
Because the mic was loud.
like that's it once, and it was not even like yelling. He's like I remember very clearly. It was Raksha Bandhan. It was on the day of Rakhi, and I think people weren't like coming on set on time, and there was a pressure to finish it at a certain time, and he was just like, "Sab kahan hai?"
Yeah, the whole star cast was there, and the dancers and the junior artists were not there.
Yeah.
So he just felt that they're all the senior artists, and
Yeah.
so he was like, "What the hell, Come
No, I think it does come through as well also in the film. Everything looks so perfectly synchronized, so perfectly coordinated. You walk into this film and you haven't done this kind of film in a while.
I haven't done this kind of film since Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Hum Saath Saath.
Yeah, just like a family thing.
See, Suraj is the only one who can make these kind of movies. We make movies, we'll have blockbusters, and people will copy hairstyles, and people will copy the way you dress, the way you walk, your dialogues. But Suraj has the capacity, the capability of, changing this country around. Getting it back onto the Sabhyata's feet, that somewhere on that conscious level that we've somewhere lost. That the Atma jagane wali baat. He's got that power to do that, and I think he's got the best medium as well, films. And he's very true to that. He just wants to make a change. He wants to make a change for the better, and he wants to entertain. He doesn't want to give any message. Nothing. He just wants nice films, and through the niceness, he will change people. I think this is the best platform. This is the best best medium. You know, he's actually using cinema, you know, correctly as a medium.
Actually, a lot of that is happening now. I think public consciousness has increased. Now you see films and people say, maybe we should try and do something based on this. You know, here's a film about a case that happened recently. And I'm happy to see that. I think.
Did you see the film?
Of course, Talwar.
Like for
Brilliant
example,
film.
like for example, you say,
Yeah.
"अरे अरे क्या भाई बहन क्या लड़ रहे हैं यार?" You know, brothers and sisters shouldn't fight, yeah. It doesn't work. Yeah. I don't
But you know,
like it.
you've also
I don't
stuck
like
very
it.
true to these principles, sir.
So, Suraj makes the movie on that. So this one is what? Why should brother and sister fight? What is it? Sort it out, yeah. Finish it. Everyone should live happily. For generations. That's what he's just such a simple plot. हम आपके हैं कौन was, don't worry, nothing is going to happen. God is there. I mean, his lines are, this is what he makes.
Simple.
Simple.
I know people used to sometimes think, how can it be so simple? They must be, I remember Neil saying, first I thought it was a facade, the first 1 or 2 days, and then after that I realized that I was the facade. That's what Neil had said.
Yeah, but yeah.
It must be very difficult, but to be like that. This is going to be changing for him as well.
Neil has actually commented on Suraj Barjati.
In the press launch only he said this, but then of course he quickly switched around. But was this on your wish list?
Working with
Rajshri film?
Now she can retire peacefully.
I think, yeah, of course, working.
Or did you have a wish list actually? No?
Knowing me, what do you think?
I think you had a wish list of actors. I don't think you had a wish list.
I don't have a wish list per se of things that I want to do, but I always want to work with the best and do the best. And I worked with the best, and I always wanted to work with Salman. I think everybody knows that. So I got my opportunity. and I
But you
chanced.
did one film with me, na Savari earlier. I was not happy with that.
15 days. This is like 180. So there's a complete difference.
Were you scared ever
Of what?
of Salman Khan on the set?
Yeah.
Of his
the
persona?
First 15, 20 days I was very scared of him.
In Savaria.
No, over here.
Here.
Oh, over here?
In Savaria was really, really nice to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Over here is different because it was different. I was a bit
So
scared.
tell me this.
Huh.
What are you scared? You're a seasoned actress. I love you as an actor.
She's lying.
People, so
She's
tell me,
lying.
what
I
would
was
you be
never
scared
scared
of?
of you.
Lying.
No.
Lying.
No, you have to focus and tell me. What would you be scared of if you saw Salman on the set for the first 15 days, as you said? What is it that you're scared of?
Okay, so the thing is, I don't know, he never reacts to this, but I've been such a big fan of his. I've never been a fan of any of my actors.
Right.
You know that. You
Yeah,
just said
yeah.
it, I'm always in control.
True, yeah.
I'm always like,
Yeah.
whatever. I just, like, I don't know how to react around.
You're the alpha male, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Female.
Female.
Whatever.
Yeah, same thing.
But, so it's just, I mean, it's very strange to interact with someone who has more of such a big personality,
Yeah.
more of a personality, which makes me, like, it's very weird for me not to be, I don't know how to explain it.
If he says
Strange.
eat something, you just eat it.
No, it's, yeah, I don't
pretty
argue.
much. Exactly.
Yeah, and usually I'm the
We
one
had a
who
bit of a
like-
treat before this. Sir said eat some grapefruit. I had some grapefruit. Of course, it was really healthy, but if he had said don't eat it, I wouldn't have eaten it, even if I knew it was healthy. We'll take a little break and come right back. Don't go anywhere. This is always fun. When I said, like, the world is always wanting to watch different sides of him. I try, but we'll try and see where all we can go. Don't go anywhere.